Hello, it's John Burford here, and I'm giving you this very short video on how I use Elliot Wave Theory in my tramline method. And don't worry, it's not a very difficult subject, although many people avoid studying it because it does seem pretty daunting when you first approach it. But if you follow me here, I think you'll find it's relatively straightforward. Now, this is the Dow Jones, Wall Street, and this is the all-time high on the 3rd of October. And I managed to catch that as the all-time high. That followed the 9.5-year tremendous bull run from the March 2009 lows. So this is the top tick here, and I suspected that once this move was in, we would be in a new bear market. But to confirm that, I needed to see a small scale 5 impulsive waves down, and I found them. If we go from the high down to here, that's wave 1. This little rally here is wave 2. Wave 2 is always counter trend. This big sharp move down here is wave 3. And remember that third waves are usually long and strong, and this one certainly qualifies. So from that low there, we have a 1, 2, 3 ABC rally to wave 4, and then a new low down here, and that is wave 5. So that's my very first 5 wave down, and that's going to be my first larger scale wave 1. So if you remember, that's wave 1. Now note that down here we've got the momentum indicator, and that shows a very sharp divergence, what I call a momentum divergence. You see the momentum here is very low on this wave 3 low, but it didn't reach the same depth on this lower price point. So that meant that the selling pressure was abating at this point here, and that means that we normally expect a counter-trend rally, and that's exactly what we got here. And this is wave A off of this wave 1, wave A, and this is wave B, and this is wave C. Now these are very large moves of 800 pips or more. I actually managed to catch most of these zigzags for my clients. We in fact shorted again. The latest short was here, and I was looking for that as a wave 2. This is wave C of 2, and any move down from there was likely to be a large third wave. So it's going to be like this, only much larger and stronger. So that's what I was looking for once this downtrend started. So that could be wave 1 of this new wave 3, wave 2, and as I'm recording this right now, we're seeing new lows in the Dow, and that is, it looks like it's going to be moving quite sharply lower in this wave 3. Now this line here, by the way, is a support line, very major support line that touches many points back here. But now it seems to have, this was a false breakout here. It couldn't rally too far above this level here, and now it's broken it again, and it's moving much lower. So I'm looking for a big wave 3 down here, and that will be confirmed by very large down moves of hundreds of points per day. So that's how we can use Elliot Wave Theory to forecast very big moves. The odds are very strong that we've got a very big move on our hands down.